You've probably used ru_cache for memoization. But have you ever wondered why cache even exists? Both decorators' cache function return values, but they differ critically on memory. ru_cache accepts a max size argument, defaulting to 128. That caps how many results it stores. Once full, old entries get evicted. Cache has no size limit at all. It's equivalent to ru_cache with max size set to none, storing every unique result forever. Powerful, but dangerous if your inputs are unbounded. When a ru_cache hits capacity, it uses LRU eviction, least recently used. The entry accessed longest ago gets dropped first. Tracking that access order requires a doubly linked list, which adds overhead to every call. Cache skips all of that. It uses a plain dictionary internally, making it measurably faster. So cache isn't just simpler, it's also more performant for the right use case. Cache was added in Python 3.9 as shorthand for ru_cache with max size set to none. The guidance is straightforward. Use cache when your function's inputs come from a bounded set, like constants or enum values. Use ru_cache when inputs could be arbitrary and you need to control memory usage with a hard cap. Cache is faster and simpler for finite inputs. ru_cache gives you memory control for everything else. Follow for more Python deep dives. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.